Designing the right security system is fundamental to any modern business. We live in a world where video has evolved from a reactive tool into a proactive hub for business intelligence. From selecting the right hardware and network infrastructure to implementing AI-powered video analytics, every component plays a role. At the center of it all is the video management system, the foundational layer, the operating core that enables intelligence, insight, and control across the entire operation. Nx Witness makes building that system effortless. It automatically discovers 99% of IP cameras on the market today and allows users to connect and view video from anywhere, anytime, over any network. You can also store and access your footage anywhere, locally, in the cloud, or through a hybrid setup that fits your deployment. Nx Witness is engineered for versatility, whether deployed at the edge, integrated with existing infrastructure, or scaled across enterprise networks. It's intuitive to use and highly adaptable, featuring a modern user interface, robust architecture, and capabilities like automatic failover, one-click system-wide updates, and built-in storage analytics. It also includes enterprise-grade tools for multi-site management through the web browser and integrated multi-site maps. Licensing with Nx Witness is simple and flexible. You can download it to explore or run a proof of concept and license it easily when it's time to deploy. As your needs grow, you can seamlessly add more devices. And if your deployment changes, your hardware always remains yours to use as you choose. For developers and system integrators, Nx Witness provides open and accessible SDKs and APIs on every installation, empowering you to extend and customize your system exactly how you need it. When it comes to video management, choose a platform designed to grow with you, one that delivers power, flexibility, and control. Nx Witness, video management made simple.